All right, so in this question, we have a rectangular pyramid, which means that the base of the pyramid is a rectangle that looks like this. And in part A, our job is to find an expression for the area of the rectangular base. So the area of a rectangle is width times length. And our width here is given by x. So x times the length is given by x plus 10. So 10 more than x. X plus 10. And that's it for part A. So in part B, we want to find the value of the area when x is equal to 140 meters. So the width is 140 meters. So let's plug that in to our expression that we got from part A. So 140 times 140 plus 10. And that's 140 times 150. And if we plug that into our calculator, we get 21,000, and the unit is in meters squared. And that's it.